working, I'm vibing, I'm chilling, I'm good.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Shauna, back up in this joint with another video. Yeah, welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, I'm back with a new video. I know we're slipping on being consistent because I had some things going on and I don't know, like my face just be acting crazy lately. Okay, so this video I'm just doing my hair. This is gonna be a natural hair video, so I'm just gonna do this is the hair tutorial right here. See? I'm just kidding. Okay, so my hair has been in this bun for the past couple days. So we're just gonna refresh it, and I'm going to just style it and do like a bun, a high top knot bun with curly bangs. So yeah, I've been wearing buns lately. Buns can be a protective style because you know you've been following my journey. I'm growing back my hair. It's been almost a year since I cut it after dealing with the iron deficiency situation, so you can check out that playlist if you want to catch up. But yes, my hair is growing back, guys. It's been almost a year, so I will be making another update on the iron deficiency situation and hair growth and all that, and we'll probably be starting a new hair journey. But anyway, that's not exactly what this video is about. This is natural hair video, so I'm just spraying a little bit of water in it. Okay, you probably can't see it, but it doesn't really matter because whatever this is, it's not what's in here. I'm just using it. The bottle was empty. So basically, I just kind of made my own little concoction of leave-in conditioner. So it's basically like just a little bit of regular conditioner, like that Aussie conditioner, Aussie moisturizing conditioner. And then I put I put some of this in it because I use this a lot in my hair to moisturize it when it's curly. It's curly and straight. But yeah, I put this in it a lot because it's moisturizing, but it's kind of oily. But it's just the ORS olive oil hair moisturizing lotion. This one says it's infused with castor oil, so I put like a chunk of that in here, mixed with some conditioner, and I put a little bit of actual olive oil in. There's no exact measurements. I put a little bit of olive oil in here, and then a couple of drops of rosemary oil, and then the rest is just water and shake it. Basically that's it. It seems to be working kind of good for me right now. Yeah, because right now I just want to use like a leave-in conditioner that's like I can just quickly like spritz throughout my hair and my hair will feel pretty moisturized. It's not really about getting the curl super defined right now. This is just, something I can just spray in and like help keep my hair moisturized and try to help keep it detangled and stuff like that. So yeah, and I just make sure I spray like my hair is the coarsest in this area. My hair is like 3C 4A, and it's mostly 4A just right in this area, like here. Then the rest is mostly like 3C, I guess. In the very back I have looser curls, but anyway. But since up in here is the coarsest, I try to spray a little bit more. I usually try to put more moisturizer up in this area, and especially when you're doing a style like a bun. Then if you might decide to like keep up in a bun a few days, then it's like this area, especially if it's coarser, it can easily get kind of dry and matted, I guess. I don't like that. I put a little bit at the ends because I feel like the ends need a little bit of moisture, but I don't want like the ends to be too wet since we're doing a bun, and I don't want the bun to be too little. If the ends of my hair is dry, it'll be easier to like proof up the bun more, you know what I mean? Alright, so it's kind of damp. Let's just spray a little bit more on the outside of this area that's going up into the bun to get that a little more moist. I'm gonna use some Eco Styler gel. I just put some in this jar. Like this was the empty jar I put. This is the flaxseed and castor oil kind, or yeah, the flax. Is it called the black castor oil flaxseed? The one that has the black lid. Okay, where it is? Yeah, it's this one. Anyways, this one is the one that I really like for This one I like for slicking down my hair because this one just holds better. It slicks down the hair better. The Eco Style, the gold one that I used before in the last video, like I said, that one works good. It works good for defining curls. I think it works good for a wash and go for my type of hair. But it's not something that I would use to, like, you know, if I really need some hold, like if I want to slick down my hair and even like keep my edges, the baby hair slicked down, because it won't hold for that long. But it definitely feels nice just to put throughout your hair if you want to just, you know, something to help define the curls, because it still will dry nice and soft and moisturized, and it can keep the curls, so it's good for that. Yeah, go watch the last video that I did on the gel if you want to know more about that. Okay, now I'm going to brush it up. I might leave some hairs out in a few places, like in the back a little bit. My curls on the back are like, they're looser. They're a little bit of a softer, that's just naturally the way it is though. Okay, and then, yeah, the sideburns. Want some sideburns. I don't know. Okay, then my actual bangs that I want to leave out. Okay, I need a comb so I can get them out the way I want to. Like, we're just gonna take out, you know, like a chunk of hair on both sides like this. I think that's about a good amount. Okay, so now let me take the brush again and try to slick back up the parts that are supposed to be in there. Then we'll take a hair tie. Okay, so this is the one that I want to use. Because I want it to be a hair tie that's kind of tight. It has little hairs wrapped around it. Oh, well. Okay, so I decided to switch the hair tie to one that's a little bit newer and tighter. So that way I only need to pull it through 2 times instead of, I just want to, you know, I can't get it. I don't want hair in my mouth. Alright, so I'm going to use this hair tie, so I should only need to pull it through like 2 times, but when I go to the second time, I'm not going to pull it all the way through. So, and it should be secure enough. Okay, so then when I go through for the last time, I gotta like adjust it as I'm pulling it through, because there's like some pieces that are like shorter, because my hair is still like a little bit shorter on the bottom than towards the front. So I gotta pull it through a certain way so that like too many of the shorter pieces don't come through that much. So it's like as I'm pulling it through, I'm kind of like adjusting it a little bit. Okay, that might be good. And then the pieces that are sticking out, I'm just gonna try to wrap them around the bun, basically. And of course, some pieces are probably gonna start sticking out anyway, because that's just the way it is. Okay, how does it look? Oh my gosh. Okay. See, now if I mess with it too much, I know pieces are going to start sticking out. I'm actually going to take this piece. Okay, I think that might be good. Actually, it looks kind of nice and round and juicy, doesn't it? I mean, it's like I like big buns, but my... Okay, I went to see what the dog was barking about. I thought somebody was here. He's sipping on my iced coffee. Okay, there's hair on my face. Okay, let's finish this video. Hold on, you better be quiet. Be quiet. You see I'm filming a video, right? Be quiet. Okay, these kids, man. Okay, now I'm going to take a little bit of water and spritz the bangs a little bit. Because... So, yeah, just gotta dampen them up a little bit. And then I'm gonna use the Eco Style Gold Gel for the bangs because I think that it's a good one to use for the bangs. And put a little bit on the sideburns and the side curls and in the back. Make sure there's more water. Just gonna try to slick this hair back down with a brush and just adding a little bit more of the other gel back on. So make sure to stay slicked down up here. Alright, so that's the bun. Wait, let me see what it looks like. Alright. Bangs will probably look a little poofier as they dry, but you can kind of see like that my bangs, they look like they probably seem a little bit straighter towards the ends. And plus, I mean, I still have a little bit of the thin ends from the hair that grew out from the iron deficiency over a year ago, but my bangs are also like, I think they're also my bangs though are also a little bit straighter too, like even like the new hair, because this is where I use heat the most when I straighten my hair. Because a lot of times, even when I wear like a ponytail when my hair is straight, I might still wear bangs, and I usually like straighten them. But so that might be why you see my bangs, the curls are like looser. But it's just my bangs though. Like the rest of my hair is good. The curls are not loose from heat like that. So I just gotta try not to use too much heat on my bangs when I straighten my hair. But it's kind of hard not to. It's just my bangs, so I just gotta try not to use as much heat on my bangs whenever I straighten my hair. So, but other than that, and like I said, a bun is a good protective style. So yeah, I will be updating you guys soon on the iron deficiency and hair growth stuff. So make sure you subscribe, click the bell for notifications. So you gotta complete the look with some earrings. And, you know, just complete the look with a little bit of lip gloss. Lip gloss popping. Got my Fenty. Oh, this is the hot chocolate. The brown one. I'm putting it on over some other ish I already got. Make sure you like the video, subscribe. Peace.
Shawty think she hot, shawty think she hot shit. Damn, she a fine, she a dime, she can pop shit. Shawty think she hot, shawty think she hot shit. Damn, she a fine, she a dime, she can pop shit. Now don't she think she hot? Don't she think she hot shit? Don't she think she hot? Don't she think she hot shit? Don't she think she hot? Don't she think she hot shit? Damn, she a fine, she a dime, she can pop shit. Now don't she think she hot? Shawty think she too hot, I think I'm the shit. Nose look like I'm Tupac, yeah we getting lit. Shawty getting juiced up, it's a gangsta party. Smoking like we Snoop Dogg, hunger who she with? I think it is her birthday. Yeah, it's going down, it's going up on a Thursday. Send another bottle out, I can see she worth it. We can have a drink, champagne if you're thirsty. Shawty think she hot, shawty think she hot shit. Damn, she a fine, she a dime, she can pop shit. Shawty think she hot, shawty think she hot shit. Damn, she a fine, she a dime, she can pop shit. Now don't she think she hot? Don't she think she hot shit? Don't she think she hot?